Hi guys, thanks for joining us. We're here over in Sydney at the Gold and Alternative Investments Conference, and I've managed to grab a hold of one of the busiest MDs getting around at the moment, and that's Duncan Chessell from Northern Cobalt. Duncan, thank you for joining us.
Yep, good to be here, Philip.
You've got some big news that's come out recently regarding a project you've acquired in Alaska. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, we've been working on this project for the last 4 or 5 weeks. It's been a bit of a process, but we're very pleased to have acquired the ground all around Northern Star's Pogo Gold Mine, which is a world-class high-grade gold mine in Alaska near the Canadian border. And it's an absolutely fantastic opportunity for Northern Cobalt to just to refresh the company, pick up some incredibly prospective ground along strike from a fantastic discovery that Northern Star announced just recently, the Goodpaster discovery, which has got up to 4 ounces of gold in recent results, and that actually comes right up to the boundary of the claims that we've pegged with Millrock Resources, the vendor of the project. So it's just fantastic.
Absolutely, it seems the market approved when you made the announcement. But with the project itself, I know you do a lot of DD work when you look at projects. Why particular was it this one that you went for?
Look, I think it's a brownfields project sitting next to 10 million ounces of high-grade gold being produced at 300,000 ounces per annum. They've already produced 4 million ounces at 13.5 grams, pretty handy 13.5 grams per tonne. Super high-grade project. The old adage, grade is king. That's the place you want to be if you're in the game of producing gold, and we're hoping to in the next couple of months get out on the ground and start some drilling along strike from that recent discovery that Northern Star's announced. Yeah,
so just mentioning with what you've got coming up, can you run us through a little bit in terms of the actual plan and the timeframes investors can look out for?
Yeah, so at the moment we're under a 100-day exclusive option period to complete our due diligence process, and we're running through that now at a rapid pace. Our exploration team is integrating with the Millrock's exploration team, who's the vendor, who'll be our joint venture partner. We are pushing out a road out from the Pogo Mine road, which is an all-weather, all-year-round road. It gives us access to our drill sites, pushing out some extra roads to set up some drill pads, putting in some water bores to supply the water for the drilling that will happen probably in February. We're hoping to get on the ground and start turning the drill bit.
All right, and Duncan, you're a founding member of Northern Cobalt and you've recently transitioned into the role of Managing Director. Just so our audience gets an idea of your history and background and whatnot, can you just run them through? Because you've got a very interesting background, not only in the mining space, but you've also summited Everest 3 times, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, yes, that's true. Probably not too many Aussies can put that on their CV. Yeah, so I have a bit of a varied background in geology, oil and gas, gold and base metal exploration. Run a couple of different businesses, including some adventure tourism. So I've got a lot of expertise in Antarctica and Alaskan, very remote logistics and cold climate activities. So yeah, and obviously the Himalayas has got a little bit of cold weather there as well. But I guess partly I was the team member that went over there to assess the project for Northern Cobalt, and I built a very good relationship with the Millrock team, who are the project vendors, who will be assisting us with execution of the program. So the board thought it was appropriate for me to transition into the role of from a non-executive director into managing director, and to move the project forward and to keep that collaborative team pushed and focused on moving the project forward as quickly as possible.
Fantastic. Well, good luck in the new role and with the new project. It's certainly exciting times at the company, and we look forward to following the story going forward.
All right. Thanks very much, Phil.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found that informative. If you liked it, give us a like below, share it, and also subscribe so you get all the latest news as it comes out. See you soon.